Hi friends, what's up? I'm back with another video on my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing my trading strategy which involves using the Alligator and the Williams R indicators, and I will also be sharing my thought processes when I'm opening trades. And before we get started, I just want to remind you that I also run a Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals which you can instantly apply to your own trading activities and start earning with me. Also, in my Telegram channel, you will find a link for registration to Pocket option, which will give you a 50% deposit bonus for free. So, all the useful links are in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below anything you want, and let's dive right into the video. So friends, I'm currently trading on the CAD/GPY currency pair, and the time frame I've set is 1 minute. And before I start trading, I always lay my fundamental groundwork. This means identifying the resistance and support levels. On the graph, a straight line illustrates the resistance level. This line represents the price range that the quote ceases to increase beyond, resulting in a market correction. Identifying this level is crucial because it helps us predict potential market reversals. I determine this level through a straightforward visual inspection of previous trading patterns. And right away, I open a buy trade for $200. The expiration time I've set is 1 minute. I reached this decision by considering signals from two indicators. The first one is widely known and extensively used Williams R indicator, which evaluates the pace and change of asset prices. And the second indicator is the Alligator. It exhibits the magnitude and direction of the trend and gives a powerful signal of changing trends. In this context, the Alligator indicator showcases the long-term trend, while the Williams indicator illustrated short-term fluctuations in the market. In this particular trade, it's noteworthy that the Alligator was in an upward trend direction. The chart made its way into a corridor defined by the Alligator lines and rebounded from it. The Williams indicator signaled a possible trend reversal going towards being overbought. Another cue came from the chart itself. The price had corrected after increasing and appeared to be settling back into its primary trend. And the trade has concluded. I made a profit of $164. Let's discuss the Alligator indicator a little bit more. So the Alligator is a combination of three smooth moving averages with different time frames, each shifted by a certain number of periods. And in my chart, the yellow and blue lines represent fast-moving averages. The red line stands for a slow-moving average. When the Alligator lines diverge and the two faster lines cross the slow red line from below, it's time to open a buy trade. This indicates a bullish trend, which is currently present. Meanwhile, I'm thinking about opening a sell trade, which I just did. And the Williams indicator signals showing a trend reversal towards a downward direction instigated this decision. Also, the chart formed a morning star, a candle pattern with a small body and long shadows on both ends. So, here's what's going on. We're witnessing a prolonged upward trend by the Alligator, but price rallies always come with corrections, so you can devise your own trading strategy. And firstly, just like I'm doing now, catch signals and trade on downward corrections. However, this approach carries more risks as opposed to trading in line with the primary trend. Alternatively, you could opt for a more conservative strategy, which I often recommend to beginners, and that entails trading in line with the long-term trend. You wait for a correction and then open a trade on an uptick abiding by the primary trend. And as expected, my trade closed profitably, but the spread in the quote price during the expiration period was tight. This indeed poses a high risk. And if you aim to mitigate risks and trade in line with the primary trend, you can even push the expiration time to 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the chart enough time to behave as per your usual technical analysis. And speaking about the Alligator technique, to sell an option, one should wait for the lines on the indicator to diverge and the two quick lines to cross the slow one from top to bottom. The space between the lines plays a vital role. The bigger it is, the more potent the trend. Mastering the visual evaluation of this range when working with Alligator indicator is quite important. Avoid entering the deal when the spread is too tight despite the occurrence of the line cross. And currently, you can observe all the buy signals present on the chart. However, I'm consciously ignoring them since we are approaching a key resistance line determined at the beginning of the session. And during such moments, the chart's behavior is often unpredictable. It might either break level boundaries to test the new ones or abruptly revert, leading to a major price correction. And forecasting this is definitely a daunting task. The price may also drift into a sideways trend to enter a price consolidation zone, and I just initiated a long position observing the Williams indicator signal. It's indicating that we're heading into an overbought zone again, which is consolidated by the Alligator's trending direction. Hence, I infer that we are likely to break through the level pushing the chart upwards. Coming to the sideways trends, the Alligator is now showcasing this. Currently, all its three lines seem to intertwine, maintaining minimal distance between them. An instance of such behavior was observed earlier on the chart, to the left from the current trading zone. And friends, my market analysis turned out to be accurate. You are now witnessing a resilient push through the resistance level with prices heading north. And allow me to draw another line on the hierarchy. We're indeed presented with another resistance level that was tested previously by the graph. And you will find it placed here as inferred from the previous trade history. And we have successfully sealed our trade, earning us another $164. And the chart is now peaking at the new resistance level. Considering the strong movement made by the previous candle, I anticipate a corrective phase, the potential opportunity for further earnings. And I'm not going to make a rash decision here. As you can see, we've successfully pierced the new level quite assertively. And let's be patient and wait for some clues that might point us in the potential trading direction. Many beginners fueled by emotions would opt for a bullish trend right now. However, considering the strength of resistance levels, it's key not to act on impulse when facing them. And as witnessed, the market has already started adjusting to the sudden rise, and the Williams indicator hints at a likely reversal of the short-term trend. Following these signs, I'm initiating a put trade, anticipating a price correction. While we wait for the outcome, let me explain more about the Alligator indicator. What prompted its predatory name? Well, it's structured around three moving averages, each representing different parts of an alligator's mouth. When the averages overlap, it's as if the beast is asleep, corresponding to the averages. But when the alligator awakes, it opens its mouth while signaling its readiness to engulf for a bear, for example. This phase is marked by a wider gap between the lines and corresponds to a market that's ready for a breakout in one specific direction. So the alligator is a potent indicator used in the classic stock market when you're engaged in long trades to benefit from the price variation. However, in the binary options world, we're essentially trading against time. As a result, I use it more as a supplementary tool for discerning the overarching trend. Yet its agility can be tested during quick market movements. To cover such instances, I utilize it in conjunction with the Williams indicator, speaking of which, our trade has now concluded, wrapping up this trading session. Today, we made a profit of $656 and explored a trading strategy rooted in technical analysis leveraging the Alligator and Williams R indicators. And I genuinely hope you found this video beneficial. If so, feel free to like this video and comment down below your questions or thoughts. And to stay tuned with the fresh content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss out on any new videos. And if you haven't done so already, please check out my Telegram channel because there I usually share daily strong trading signals which can empower your already existing trading system. And let's embark on this profit-making journey together. And until we meet again, bye bye guys. Take care.